We try on it. Yeah. Yeah.
Be on the fire again. You don't know you can't start the fire without a boot, sir. Try out. Steal some. Give that some more motivation and steal some. Show them you want upon it. You see it?
Put it to the side.
And me on the gas again. And I know I'm not luck with the gas already.
Yeah, put it on top.
People.
Yeah, that should be good. That should be good.
So over gas the fire. That's what I say, right? Boom.
Right, top. We try on it. Yeah. Yeah.
Be on the fire again.
Clad. Uh-huh.
See how far the fire run me down again?
Run it
People,
down.
with the gas, you see? Burn off.
Let's go. Let's go.
Focus on this. Put all our vegetable in and pot ready for steam because once them they start bubble, just I shall have fish them and just drop them in there because I steam them, you see it? So,
Oh. Stay hydrated.
now what people, what we gonna do now? We go drop them in the water, clean them off in the water, you see? So here we go going. Right them you know, I go peel them, I go peel this and scrape them then I water, wash them off so and dash off the water and cut them up. So you know what I'm saying? One stop shop, see them, you see? Peel off this.
I need a Rambo knife. We gotta find it, ratchet, bro. No way there. Just draw for this up.
People, watch your pray, watch it. So I cut the potato in half. Cut it in half, people, because we have four that are sitting in and I try to peel like a big potato there. And that's how it is. We just scrape them. As you can see. Scrape here, scrape them. Good. Scrape. Good people, just scrape them off. Now I gotta be the best looking. What you don't know, I was just scrape off some of them half right there. I just just give them a quick scrape, you see? Boss!
Fire shot.
What is me for scare? I gotta tell you, that bring us with the flour and put you up some spinners tonight. I cut them up, I cut up too much. So I can just dash off the water, see it and and get it on here, right. I chunk them people because I steam fishing and something for hold on the fish there. You know what I It's a chunk in here.
Move. All the things over there.
To get you off of what people good. I got meal the flour. I don't know how I make it eat it. Yeah, but people just watch and see. Well, I'm gonna put in the okra first. Put in the okra here. I'm gonna season up that. Wash off the garlic, so that's why you can cut up piece of it, see people? It look like peel off the skin off of the garlic. That's how I always wash it. Like we still have a skin on the garlic. Like,
Garlic?
huh?
Ginger?
People, don't people, don't pay me no mind. Don't pay me no mind. You say the ginger. Alright, that people, that's for the ginger. Could I put piece more in the book? Let's go and see what I do right now. You know I steam fish up there for you know.
Yeah, hot pepper, you know.
Just drop it two of them in there, people. Steamfish it name.
Can smell them pepper there.
Hot. Hot. Hot, my people. Hot. It must stink, yeah? Eat a little, you know, I say I don't want to leave them steam out too much. That's why I'm not put them in. Not too much. Too much of this at the point because I don't want to take over too much of it. I don't want to take out too much of the taste. So you know what I say? Bay leaf, yes, perfect. So go drop that in deep and see that. Vegetable them here, they're not going to take long to steam out. So I'm going to drop this in there. Now. I'm going to put just some water in it and some butter and some, make them they go and steam. So when the fish ready for it, butter it down, you know, people. Boy, steam fish, I'm going to drop a little bit extra in it, ready, people. That's that, even butter. Take butter down, some water. Look now and catch the slime, man. You know what I'm saying? But the okra them and everything starts simmering. Feel like say, them potato and the carrot them kind of cook one way. And I come back, you know, with the hose and wash off the fish them because them scale already, you know, people. Them scale already and everything. So when I don't know, come back with the hose and get them a wash off and drop them in the pot. Make them go and steam up. But now you go drop on the pot on the fire. People. This way pot them. That go and bubble. When that start bubble, you don't know. Them fish are in a trouble.
My butterfly them attack.
Yeah. So grab some of them because say a pop choke cousin. Just like this. Maybe drop a little flavor, something. You see, people, I'm going to do the impossible, I'm going to meal the flour in the bag. Ask me how I'm going to do it, but that I'm going to do. Pig sea salt, you see people. They say I know my salt, them don't it. Yeah man. I'm going to use sometimes my salt in your life. That's how you go. People, don't watch me, don't watch me. See what I do? This is not to be done at all. That is it. Don't do this at home because you might throw the whole bag of salt and you look a bit of You see, my people? And ask me again how am I going to do this, people? Ask me again how am I going to do this. Forward out it. People. Take off this camera, take the floor, stick up on it. There, people, never see a man meal flour in a bag yet. It's the first time for everything. See people? Can't say we never see this. That is it, people. Flour for meal. Flour for meal. Chilling, flour and meal, people. People just only know the first time I do this. Never know the flour can meal about. Just come up with this, you know, man. I love the people.
Improvise.
It actually work. The work of flour meal. Flour meal. And the part over there, so steam. So people see them flour meal, man. You know about flour meal. See? Flour meal, man. People, flour meal. People look a bit more hot tonight, and that is it. So you know what I'm going to do now? Have the flour from here and watch the style, people. Watch the style. Man, so who is every day I mean flour in the back? You know, who mackerel fit so much mackerel in one thing to you? Watch the style now, people. Plug up the bag. You need from outside of the bag now, people. Because I'm not putting no more water in it. So I need it from outside of the bag. Without some air out of the bag, people. See that? Folks at home. See that? Flour meal. Flour meal in a bag, watch it. Outdoor style, people. See that? See, look, that is it. I'm showing you the flour in the spoil. I can't go there and say the flour in the bag tried to spoil. Perfect, watch it. Perfect. I wonder how him do it though. Improvise, see that? Perfect, people. Perfect, watch it. Perfect flour, people, watch it. Watch it, people. Okay. People, flour can meal in a bag. The flour can meal in a plastic plate, in a plastic bag that too.
Which is right.
That bubble, I know, people. So here I go on. That bubble up and look at it though, what is it? Drop in the first one, make it go and see when kuya when them see me with the fire.
Bubble pata bubble. Bubble pata bubble.
Okay, so I never know what's up with back. Flour can meal in a bag until I try it. Yeah. Body one, yeah. Bubble, I don't know. People eat a bubble. Oh, I'm doing me look. It's like a kind of joke thing, too. People the pot smell right, you don't understand me, I tell you, the pot smell good. Pot smell good. Five of them in there.
Oh my God.
You don't know what's so much in the people are five.
This much?
5 of them in the people. 5 of them. like to do extra washing for them. People just so much. You see? Fresh snap. 1 foot thumbnail. Let us see.
Yeah.
People watch it. So yeah, so yeah, dude. I'll make some of them and roll over on the top, you see it? I will sink them and look a bit.
And you go put the leaf them on top. $1, $2, $3, $4, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10.
And the leaf here I go steam out. Yeah, people, that
is it.
See?
Oh, I was gonna let it breathe.
Huh?
Not gonna let it breathe?
No, what the steam we are working now, because they put it in the cook it on the thing, we really cook it in. I make them steam, by the time they cook, the fish cook. You see? About 10-15 minutes, less than that probably. Because fish don't take long for cooking, people, you know that. Just want some steam. So rise up bucket. Rise up bucket pot cover. So leave them out, put steam out now. Even now put some black pepper and I with some butter. Ras. This is not a stick, man. This is I can go and steam out.
Alright. 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Check it back. Let's see.
Clean up this rice here. Oh, that guy already. You hear the rain and beep on the pot cover. People. Come back in at 8:20 and turn just take it off. 10 more minutes and they will take it off and food can eat. Take it
You want
off.
to use on him?
Bring it go in front of that's it.
Is it in ready? Dumpling too?
Cook out like that.
Yeah.
If you try if you get the fish not broke up. It look like it also broke up. See there? Drop down here, they start broke up.
Ready?
Let's see. I just start kick off the ball game like this. Same practice speed. So put some of the carrot and some of the food in there. And I throw some mush up people pan. Listen. I want to mash up the fish then in there. We pour some of the water like so. And that. And pour out some of the water like so. We will try to mash up the rest of the fish then. See them lay down in the sea. Now here don't allow me here for it. I wish the dumpling can be in a bag. Pepper. And people, pepper, turn up now.
Turn up. There's one chunk pepper them in here.
Yeah. Pepper right, man.
All the dumplings there,
the dumplings them well cooked there. Man, can you hear?
Carrot. The carrots there.
Dumpling cooked and well cooked.
What the most outstanding flavor?
Right now, we go. I tell you that. Carrot them cook perfect. Them not overcooked. Them are soft. Them cook. And that I like. Pepper in there, turn up. I tell you. When you are going. Dog, they say for watch me I eat, you know. So you know say I'm going to do film thing, you know. So
I'll try potato first.
Well cooked there.
Potato nice.
I tell you.
Okay, potato nice and soft.
Yeah.
Okra, turn up.
Tasty carrot. Carrot them cook perfect. Something where you just have a look bite to it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
the fish soak up everything.
But pepper turn up in that right. Some like steamfish with pepper.
Yeah. Not too hot.
Right temperature.
Alright temperature, you're not too hot. I mean I say, you're not gonna have the flavor.
I said to myself, so I know that. I never put too much pepper in it. Alright amount. Right temperature right there.
Right amount. When a fire breeze a blow.
People, like, share and beg a plate. That's all I can say for you.
Like, share, beg a plate. Really.